Yeah, go quickly.
Yeah, I've had my dad is Mr. Hafley.
Yeah?
Yeah. I've had a couple of these. Yeah.
It's the, do you like your new car?
What?
Do you like your new car?
Wait, wait a minute.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, wait, are you fucking kidding me?
Do you like your new car?
I don't, oh my god, are you kidding me?
Congratulations.
You like it?
No.
No? Why not?
Are you kidding me?
No.
Wait, why did you do this?
You needed a new car.
Not yet.
Come sit in the driver's seat.
Are you kidding me?
Well, I'm so happy I'm crying.
This is Jim, by the way.
Hi,
Bye-bye.
Tiffany. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I don't. Are you kidding me?
Sit in it.
Are we're not going to dinner?
No, that was all live.
I'm starving.
We could go to dinner after. You like it?
Oh my god.
Here, start it up.
Is this for real?
It is. And it really brought me to tears.
Oh my god. I'm like, Victor, seriously, I don't know why you did this.
You like it?
I love it.
Look at the sunroof. How big is it? Happy anniversary.
What do you think?
I love it.
What a gift. Tiffany, this is Mike.
How are you?